What's happening, fellow traders? Black Coffee Trader coming to you. It is Tuesday, October the 22nd, and our green days continue. Love it. I forgot to change the screen, but so you can just see the whole gamut of what we have going on here. Apex accounts, 4 of those up 374 today. We did pass a 50K. I mentioned yesterday that I planned on just, instead of copy trading all my funded or my eval accounts, I was going to take them one at a time. And so that's what I did. Passed this one today. Had a nice little profit on this account. I did lose the other 150K that I have left. Got caught in a pretty big size and on reversal here in the afternoon, and that was just, it is what it is. But honestly, I'm probably, with the adjustments to Apex, I do think I'm going to be focusing more on my 50K accounts than my 150s. I may still work on a 150 from time to time and see if I can pass them. I'm not going to go crazy. I'm going to try to get this one over the finish line. We're about 149,000, so we're about 10 grand from passing it, but that's okay. Again, these, I'm going to take these, probably work on one each day and just try to, maybe not every day, but, try to work on getting those passed as well and adding to the accounts. So yeah, really good day on Apex. Very happy about that. And also, secondly, I did have a very nice day one on the UProfit live account, the funded account. They call it a live account, but let's move this to where we can see it. So you can see that this is the LV. This is the live 50K account. We're up 350 bucks on it today. So nice day one. Basically, you have to trade for 5 days, making over 200, and then you can request a payout if I'm understanding the rules correctly. And you can request up to 50%. I don't know, is there a certain amount you have to get to? Maybe you have to get to a couple $1,000s before you can request a payout, or maybe it's just 5 days of over 200. So that's the way it reads. I'm not sure, but that's going to be my goal, is to at least try to get to 200 a day as a minimum. And the difference here is I am not trading, well, I may trade micros, but I was trading minis today, trading my normal strategy, but trading minis. And it worked out very well. So I may continue to do that, but I'll keep you updated on this. I was not able to figure out how to add that to TradeZella. So I don't have it included in TradeZella yet. I reached out to UProfit to see if I can get the information from them on how to incorporate or how to import those trades into TradeZella. But hopefully by the end of the week, I'll have the trades all included in there, and so that we can see everything and all of the trading. So yes, I know that the banner, or the YouTube banner, showed like 725 with the profit today, which is correct. We had 375 basically on the Apex accounts and 350 on the UProfit account. So had a really solid day. But here's where we're at for the Apex side of things. Again, this month just continues, and again, I just feel confident in my trading, and I think, again, the big deal for today was the new risk to reward is paying off. It's paying off in spades. I mean, look at today. My win rate was 37.5%, which is low for me. But look at my average win to loss, 3.34. My average winner was 62. My average loser was 18. That's how you get to winning days. And that's why I have made the switch. And I forget when I started to make this switch. I want to say maybe it was during this month. It seems like it's been longer that I've really adjusted my ATM strategy to focus on having a 2-to-1 R. So that's my goal. Today we had a 9.2 R with a 37% win rate. So having a nice profitable day, even though we had more losers than winners on the trades. But the key there is I was getting out of the trades that were losing trades quickly. For example, let's take a look at like a winning trade here. This is my target. My initial target here is 80. That is the initial target for all my trades that I'm taking on Apex anyway. I'm shooting for 80 bucks and I'm risking 40. The contract size depends on how big my stop loss is. If I have a 10-point stop loss, I'm trading with 2 contracts. If I have a 5-point stop loss, I'm trading with 4 contracts, and so on and so forth. But in any case, in this case, my planned R multiple was 2, and I realized a 3.17 R. So risking 40 to make 120, basically. That's how that works. So that's really been the game changer for me. And if you go to, for example, let's find a losing trade. I mean, these are not good examples. Let's find one. I had some $10 losers. here's one. So, you know, again, the goal was $81, risking 39 or 80-40. This particular trade happened to fall into that play, but, you know, 2.08 R to R. But my realized R multiple is 0.27 because I got out of that trade really quickly, only losing $10. I mean, there was trades today that I got out. There were some trades today that I got out with like $2. I think the worst loss I had today was $36 on, you know, a full loss, if you will, or almost a full loss on a specific trade. Yeah, here we had some that I got out with like 2 cents, $2. So again, I'm copy trading. So every trade that you see, there's 4 in here. It's like right here, we have this specific trade, this one was copy traded, all 4 of my accounts. And if you do that, you get a little bit of slippage. And so that's why some of these numbers are a little bit different, but that was one trade. But here, you know, I'm getting out of these losing trades really quickly. And that is really what works, and then allowing the winning trades to run. And I feel like that has been such a game changer for me. And it's why I'm being able to put together a solid run of green days. I mean, I'm going to have red days. Like I had a red day here. There's going to be red days that sprinkle in here, and that's okay. The key is that, you know, we want to try to avoid having big red days. Yeah, for the most part this month, we have done that, and I'm very happy with it. So yeah, great month. Now, let's move into, let's take a look at the month as a whole. I'm curious where some of these numbers are. So we're at $1,000 with, if I add the UProfit accounts in here, we're at $1,300 in profit, 56% win rate. My average win-loss is slowly improving. We're at a 0.85 again, because some of this was traded earlier in the month before I was adjusting to the better R multiple trades. 46 to 55 on the average win versus the average loss, but still putting together a solid month. And it looks great to me considering where I was the last 3 months, because we had a rough Q2, that's for sure. So moving forward, here's the one thought that I have. I've been trading micros for quite a while. I've been trading micros for 60 some days, which is why I'm showing day 62 on my YouTube banner. But obviously with this UProfit account, I'm going to be trading a lot more with minis, I think, unless it doesn't go very well. And I'm actually thinking about this new past Apex account that I've got here. I'm actually thinking of trying the same thing there. So I may continue to group these 4 together and then trade minis on this one. At least that's what's in my mind right now. Maybe I'll make a change tomorrow morning once that account is live. But I really feel like trying it. I really feel like, you know, taking the same strategy, maybe reducing it to a 1.5 R. I don't know. Maybe I'll totally change my mind and just go to trading micros. Or maybe the better thing for me to do would be to, instead of risking 40, maybe I need to go to a bigger, take a bigger risk, so to speak, dollar for dollar on my micro setup, and just continue to trade micros on these, but maybe risking like, $80 a trade, and shooting for 160 or something like that. So I don't know. That's I'm just sharing my head space with you guys. So if you have an opinion, feel free to put it in the comments. I'll take a read and take a listen, so to speak. So, but yeah, good day today. Everything was on NQ. It was all in the morning. And again, like I was talking about, small losers here, had a really nice winning trade here. A small loss, got out really quickly there for almost no loss. A couple small losses here, and then we finally got that big break. This was really just, just being attentive to the market and seeing how things were going. And we kind of had this, I was a little bit frustrated here because this section right here, I actually got chopped up a little bit on my UProfit account during this exact time frame. Thankfully, I kept the losses pretty small there too. But I was looking for this to break out, didn't happen. Then looking for this to continue to fall apart, didn't happen. And then we kind of got this bearish move, and I jumped in right here off of this candle for a beautiful, beautiful trade there. That was definitely the best one of the day. 3 Rs is a really nice trade for me, so I'm really happy with that. But just, again, it allowed me getting out of these losing trades quickly. And then when I have a winning trade, I can let that thing run and make my money there. So, yeah, I really had no desire. I know I'm only up $100 on each account here, but I really didn't have any desire to continue trading that for the rest of the day, just because I had so many losing trades in the morning. And when I had a really good winning trade finally, I was like, you know what, let's not give this back. I'm just going to flip and try to work on the this Apex account. And I didn't start trading that account until after this. So in the afternoon, I started working on this 50K Apex account, and that worked out well. I had a good day because of it, and I'm quite happy. So that is that. So, hey, good day. We're happy with it. I do see that I forgot to update my Apex banner. They did change. I think their discount is going on for another, the 8% discount is going on for another 9 days. So it's going on until pretty much the end of the month. So I forgot to change that. So know that this little banner is incorrect. It does not expire today. The 80% off evals and $85 lifetime PA fees is going on for the end of, basically the end of the month. Take Profit, we still are in the same program there. And I don't have anything with UProfit. I did ask UProfit if they offer an affiliate link, or if I can, have a code that I can share to save money if people want to use UProfit. So I haven't heard back, and I don't know, they may not even have a program, but whatever. I'm still going to show you what I'm doing with UProfit and see, and keep you on that journey and show you how that goes. So, hey, one day at a time. And once again, green days, that's what we like. So hope you had a good day. Have a great day tomorrow. We'll do our best to have another update for you tomorrow afternoon. So once again, take care, and so long.